So you just made a video and it has 0 views. You know it should have at least 2, 3, 5, maybe even 10 views, and it's been an hour and there still says 0 views. I'm gonna show you what's going on, the top 5 reasons your video has 0 views, and one of them is major. Coming up next. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I give you tips and tricks on social media. Lately we've been talking about TikTok. So hey, you know what? Let's get down to it. You just uploaded a TikTok. It's been about an hour, maybe even more. Why does my TikTok have no views? Any other day you upload a video and it has 10 views, 15, maybe even 1,000 views. So what's going on? So right now I'm gonna share with you 5 reasons why your video is stuck on 0 views. Before I say any tips, any of the 5, I've had videos that have gotten 0 views about 9 times, not just once. I was watching a video a little while ago and someone was saying, oh, it's happened to me once. No, it's happened to me about 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So I know what I'm talking about. The number one reason that you probably are already thinking about is you've been shadow banned. What is shadow ban? Everyone's throwing around the word shadow ban. You can be shadow banned for violating terms and conditions in the TikTok rules, whether it be bullying someone in the chats and in the comments, uploading vulgar content, nudity, anything that is in the conditions and the terms that they say don't do, you're probably doing, and so you know what? You're being shadow banned. It's kind of like a slap on the hand. Don't do it again, and eventually this will go away. I am pretty confident that there is a auto detect feature in TikTok. It's kind of like nowadays how we have facial recognition on your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you know that there's facial recognition in here. It has all the pictures of my wife just by her face, my son, my other son. It puts them in categories, you know, so there's facial recognition on this iPhone. And I am pretty confident that on TikTok there's facial recognition, but not in that sense, but anything that's done in a video. You know how when you upload a video to YouTube and it has a song from the radio in that video and YouTube automatically detects that there's a song in there, and so it tells you, hey, your video has a song, you know, from the radio, and so hey, now we're gonna run ads on this video. Dark lighting, we can't tell what's going on in the video, 0 views. No one's even gonna see it. No one even knows it exists on your profile. You uploaded it, you can see it. When you go watch it, it'll have 1 view. I've been here before. Number 3, there's just a glitch in the system. You know, we don't always have to blame everything on something. There is just a glitch in the system. If you made the TikTok on the app, download the TikTok, and unfortunately you might have to re-upload it, and it'll have, you know, TikTok in the top left and the bottom right, but don't delete the video. The reason why I want you to wait at least a day or 2 before doing anything as far as deleting is because I'm gonna tell you in the next 2 reasons. Number 4, you've been flagged. That's right, you've been flagged. Even me being on TikTok, there's a lot of people that leave a lot of negative, nasty comments. People are bullying on TikTok. If you're bullying someone on TikTok, don't think that they're not reporting you. You might not know about it, but don't think that they're not reporting you. You know, and even though TikTok doesn't necessarily get back to us and, you know, they don't necessarily email us or call us, they do get those reports. Number 5, which is the number 1 reason and probably should be the only thing on here, this is the number 1 reason why your video has 0 views. This is from experience. I've learned from this, and now when I upload and record a video, I look for these things and I ask myself these things. This, I'm pretty sure, is the number 1 reason. 99 out of 100 on why your video has 0 views or is stuck on 0 views. That video needs to be reviewed by TikTok before they can push it out. And the reason being is it's something in your caption, it's a word that's used, whether you put the word kid, whether you put the word kid, and then over here, play. There's something in your caption that triggers oh, we need to review this video first. A curse word mixed with, something sexual. It could be the word bomb, and over here you have terrorist. It's something in your caption that is causing your video to go under review before it gets posted and actually sent out to your followers and even be on the For You page. Also, it can be a video that you've worked on outside of the app in a third-party editor such as Final Cut Pro or iMovie, and there's audio in there, and because you're constantly uploading videos rather than using the app, that is another reason included in here to where your video needs to be reviewed. A lot of people are stealing content and they're uploading instead of using the app to record. I'll repeat that again. A lot of people are uploading stolen content. They're grabbing it off of the internet. They're grabbing it from famous accounts and they're uploading the videos. So what you're doing is you're triggering TikTok to say, okay, you know what? We don't know what they're uploading. They could be uploading child porn. They could be uploading, world star fights. People, getting punched in the face and blood everywhere. So because they're uploading so many things and some of their videos have been flagged or removed. You ever seen that before? This video has been removed by TikTok. So if you've ever had one of those happen before and now you upload videos and it has 0 views, if you have a pattern, basically in a nutshell, this video needs to be reviewed before it's pushed out to your followers or even being placed on the For You page. How to get around it? Upload the same video, change the description. Don't upload videos, use the app. Make sure your lighting is right, natural lighting. Be nice in the comments. Don't be a bully. Don't violate terms and conditions and rules or community guidelines. Always stick to the trends. Do the trends. That way TikTok is already familiar with what that is, what's going on, the music that's being used. But hey guys, I'm telling you right now, these are the top 5 reasons that your video is stuck on 0 views. And it's likely because you're shadow banned, because there's dark lighting, there's a glitch in the system, you've been flagged from bullying, being mean, you upload videos constantly rather than using the platform or the app to record the videos, and 5, which should actually, this is the #1 reason, your video has to be reviewed. Almost left it out. What I did to get around my video that had 0 views is I found in my gallery, my dog's barking, I found in my gallery older videos. And so this one was still on there and I uploaded 3 videos after. And surprisingly, these 3 videos got views. So that's how I know, and of course from other things that I've mentioned, that this video is under review and none of them got views. And I'm trying to think, what was it at that time in that video, and I realized, oh, that's why. And it was some words. It was words that was in the captions. Leave in the comments, guys, if you're going through any of these things. Let me know exactly what you're up against, what you're facing. Also, if you would like to see any other videos like this, any tutorials, let me know. I do take suggestions. That way I can bring you valuable content that you can watch and also learn from. Once again, this is Quincy's Q-tips, tricks and tips on social media, and right now we've been talking about TikTok and some YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also share this video with someone who you think can benefit from it. As always, until next time, have a great day.